What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we're taking a look at HP's NV17 laptop, packing some heat from Intel, and a big shout out to Intel and HP for sponsoring this video. This laptop is pretty sleek in design and performance, but let's take a look at what makes the whole thing tick. But keep in mind that this configuration may vary based on where you purchase the laptop, but the one I have here is pretty beast. First up, we definitely need to talk about that big display. Here we have a 17.3-inch Full HD multi-touch display panel, which can be helpful for navigating with your fingers when needed. It's pretty crisp all around, and the touch sensitivity is great. It's an IPS panel as well, and has nice wide viewing angles, and the bezels are pretty minimal, and overall the laptop is pretty portable for packing such a large display, coming in at just over 6 pounds. Along with that, the keyboard here is nice and large, it's even backlit so you can see better in the dark, and includes a numeric keypad, which seems to be a rare inclusion on most of today's laptops. Speaking of things lacking on a lot of laptops today, here we also have an optical drive. Yes, there is an optical drive on this laptop, which I actually appreciate. And in addition to all of that, there's plenty of I/O on this laptop, tons of ports, all full size, everything that you need in one place. Powering everything here, we have the Intel Core i7-10510U quad-core processor with up to 4.9 GHz turbo boost. Now, there's also a 512 GB Intel SSD with 32 GB of Intel Optane H10 memory inside to help accelerate storage. And basically, the combination of all this means that you'll be able to run what you want when you want it, and thanks to the Intel Optane memory inside, the programs that you use the most will be accessible even faster. Now, the processor and SSD combo here is a great pair for anything from photo editing to multitasking and even some light gaming with the Intel UHD graphics and NVIDIA's GeForce MX250 graphics inside, and it'll work for a wide range of use cases, and in my opinion, looks pretty good doing it. It also packs Intel Wi-Fi 6 with the Intel Wireless AC 9560 that supports Bluetooth 5 as well, and gigabit Wi-Fi speeds that are up to 3 times faster when compared to standard Wi-Fi 5. The entertainment and multimedia component of the NV17 is on point as well. The HP speakers here have been tuned by Bang & Olufsen and are nice and loud, and there's even an SD card reader here, which I personally appreciate seeing, because I use SD cards a lot. And the HP Wide Vision HD camera packs a dual array microphone, which also includes an unhackable physical kill switch on the side of the laptop to disable the camera when or if you would like to. And on top of that, there's even a fingerprint reader for easy access to Windows. And with everything packed inside of here, there's a 52 watt-hour lithium-ion battery that even supports fast charging and will get you up to a 50% charge in just 45 minutes. Now, with all of that said, this is a pretty good laptop for most people out there. It packs power from Intel, a sleek design from HP, a large display, and beefed up speakers for entertainment. And considering all of that, it's very portable and relatively lighter than what you would expect. Now, pricing is based on the specific configuration that you decide to pick up, but it's certainly worth taking a look at if you're in the market for a new laptop. But let me know what you think about the Intel-powered HP NV17 in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. And also, if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when new videos like this drop in the future. Really appreciate all the support, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. This is Dom, and I will catch you in the next video.